Partial fraction of equation having multiple roots are generally in this form, that is fs equals to ns by s minus s naught whole to the power n into ds, ns by s minus s naught whole to the power n into ds, where ns, ds and these are the function of s, and s minus s naught having roots s naught, and that's multiplicity is n. So equation fs equals to s minus 2 by s into s plus 1 whole cube. This is similar to this, and this can be expanded as fs equals to k naught by s plus 1 to the power 3 plus k1 by s plus 1 whole square plus k2 by s plus 1 plus a by s. This is the remainder term, and this having the same roots, that is minus 1 of multiplicity 3 to 1 respectively. And the a for simple roots at s equals to 0, this term has root s equals to 0. To find a, we just multiply s in the left as well as right side, then fs will be s into fs, and this term will be multiplied with s, this term also will be multiplied with s, this also, and this will be a only. If we put s equals to 0, that is the root of s, then this term and this term will be 0, and this will be s into fs, and this will be a. Then a equals to s into fs at s equals to 0. That is, if we put value of fs, the equation s minus 2 s into s plus 1 whole cube, then put s equals to 0, then this s and multiplication with s, this s will be cancelled out, and the final will be minus 2. Final term of will be minus 2, that is a. Now we find constant for multiple roots. We define a equation, that is f1s, which is equal to s minus s plus 1 whole cube into fs. This fs into s plus 1 whole cube, s plus 1 whole cube into fs. So this will be s minus 2 by s only. From general formula for multiple roots, that is, now we have to find k naught, k1 and k2. K naught can be found out by 1 by factorial 0 order differential of s minus 2 by s, that is f1 of s, means k0 can be found out by 1 by factorial 0 order differential of f1 of s, that is s minus 2 by s at s equals to minus 1. That is the root of this equation, minus 1, its value is 3. Simply we put s equals to minus 1 in this will be minus 3 by minus 1, that is 3. Now k1 will be 1 by factorial 1 first order differential of s minus 2 by s, and then put s equals to minus 1, that will be 2. This can be derived as d by ds of s minus 2 by s equals to plus 1 into s minus 2 into 1 by s square equals to s minus s plus 2 by s square. This will be cancelled. 2 by s square at s equals to minus 1, that will be 2 by minus 1 square equals to 2, that is 2. Now we find k2 is 1 by factorial 2 first order differential of second order differential of f1 of s, that is s minus 2 by s. This is f1 of s minus 2 by s, second order differential of s minus 2 by s with multiplied 1 by factorial 2 and s equals to minus 1, that is the root of this equation, s plus 1. This will be minus 2 by s cube at s equals to minus 1, this is 2. Similarly, we found k0, k1, k2. we put the value in this equation k0, k1 and k2, and as well a, that is minus 2. We have 3 by s plus 1 whole cube, 2 by s plus 1 whole square, plus 2 by s plus 1 minus 2 by s. That is the partial fraction of fs. Thank you.